Welcome to this remarkable family home, framed with mature landscaping, leading to the covered front entry. Wood floors run through the spacious living room with a gas fireplace into the dining room. A huge eat-in kitchen with oak cabinets and stainless steel appliances sits next to the family room, and a bold brick fireplace mantle. Glass sliding doors open up to a massive sundeck that looks down to a fully fenced and tree-lined backyard, with views east towards the Port Mann Bridge and down the Fraser River. A guest bathroom and bright office with corner windows rounds out the main floor. New carpets lead you upstairs past the full washroom, plus second and third bedrooms. The primary bedroom and ensuite enjoy the same unobstructed river view, with the sunrise shining in over the soaker tub, separate shower, and top floor balcony next to the walk-in closet. The lower level has two more bedrooms, sharing a three-piece bathroom, sitting opposite a family room with another gas fireplace next to the plumbed-in wet bar. Two large storage areas lead to the double-car garage and out to covered parking for two more vehicles. The rear has open-air RV parking and room for several more cars down the lengthy driveway leading to the lane. Nestled in the heart of Fraserview, this home is steps from Glenbrook Ravine Park, walking distance to Sapperton Skytrain, groceries, and restaurants.